So you've got your camera and you got your film. Baby elephant, baby elephant. So you got your camera and you got your black and white film. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and load it into your camera. To do that, I'm gonna first show you how to open your camera. Now, assuming you have a camera like this, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go ahead and flip open the rewind latch and give that a little pull. That's gonna pull this up a little bit, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and holding this, give that a pull upwards, and that opens your camera. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and load this film onto the sprocket. We'll do that by taking the canister and holding it like this. Taking your film, sliding it in from the top, down. It'll latch. You can give it a little tug, tiny little tug, and it's not going anywhere. Then go ahead, keeping it as flat as possible. Bring it all the way over here. Close. And now you're loaded. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and take a couple shots. And that's just pull the leader forward and to run out the film that was already exposed to the light. And that's it. That's as simple as that.